Good morning students and welcome to the class today. Today we will start with chapter 7, which is Microsoft Excel 2007. In this particular session we'll understand following topics, which are features of Microsoft Excel 2007, starting Microsoft Excel, workbook and worksheet, moving around the worksheet, entering data in a worksheet and types of data, working with a worksheet, and lastly saving a workbook. So let's start. Microsoft Excel is one of the most popular spreadsheet software. It is widely used to perform mathematical calculations. The data is spread in a tabular form consisting of rows and columns. It provides inbuilt features and tools such as formulas, functions, and data analysis tool that makes it easier to work with large amount of data. Now moving towards features of Excel. Formulas are mainly used for performing simple and complex mathematical calculations. Functions are the built-in formulas used for calculating percentage, interest, average, etc. Formatting feature improves the appearance of data. The data is automatically recalculated in the entire worksheet if any change is made in a single cell. The data can be quickly searched and replaced instantly. Autofill option is available to enter data in a series in MS Excel. Data can be viewed in a graphical form, such as charts, which helps to understand, analyze, and compare data in an effective manner. These advanced features have made Microsoft Excel the first choice for professionals to quickly perform lengthy accounting and financial tasks and take immediate decisions. Now let's move towards the next topic, which is starting Microsoft Excel. Click on the Start button. Click on All Programs. Click on the Microsoft Office folder. Click on Microsoft Excel and whatever version you are having. Now let's move towards Workbook and Worksheet. The Excel window that appears on the screen is called a workbook. It is assigned a default name as Book 1. Workbook is like a notebook which consists of numbers of pages. Worksheets in a workbook are like pages of a notebook. A worksheet is a grid-like area made up of rows and columns where you can enter and work with data. By default, an Excel workbook displays three worksheets at the bottom with the name Sheet 1, Sheet 2 and Sheet 3. We can add any number of worksheets in a workbook according to the limits of memories available on a computer. A worksheet consists of 10,48,576 rows and 16,384 columns. Columns are represented by alphabets on the top and rows have numbers on the left side of the worksheet. Now let's move toward the next topic, which is moving around the spreadsheet. To input data in a worksheet, we have to move cell pointer from one point to another with the help of various keys as defined in the given table. Right arrow key moves one column right. Left arrow key moves one column left. Up arrow key moves one row up. Down arrow key moves one row down. Page up moves one screen up in a worksheet. Page down moves one screen down in a worksheet. Control plus home moves the cell pointer to the first cell of the topmost row, that is A1. Control plus end moves the cell pointer to the last used cell on a spreadsheet. Now let's move towards the next topic, which is entering data. Follow the given steps to enter data in a worksheet as shown in figure. Open a new workbook. By default, sheet 1 is the active worksheet. Click on the cell D1 and type weekly expenses. Select the cell C1 to F1 and click on the merge and center button in the alignment group on the home tab. Click on the cell A2 and type items. Press the right arrow key. Type Monday in B2 and Tuesday in C2. Likewise, enter data in the rest of the cells. Click on the cell A3, type eatables and press the enter key. The cell pointer shifts to cell A4. Type cold drink and press down arrow key to move to cell A5 and type milk. Similarly, enter the remaining data. Now next topic is types of data. Three types of data can be entered in Microsoft Excel worksheet, which are as follows: numbers, text and formulae. Numbers. Numbers are values that consist of numbers from 0 to 9 and the characters. They can be used in calculations. In addition to actual numbers, Excel also stores date and time as numbers. By default, numbers are right aligned in a cell. Text. Text data can contain alphabets, numbers, space, and special characters. Text data is not used in calculations. By default, text data is left aligned in a cell. Most often, text entries are used for worksheet headings, names, and for identifying columns of data. Formulae. A formula is mathematical equation involving number values, operators, and cell addresses used for performing calculations on a worksheet. Formulae can range from basic mathematical operations to complex calculations. Formulae begins with an equal to sign. Now next topic is working with worksheet. Switching between worksheets. When we add a number of worksheets, only a few worksheets can be seen on the screen. To switch between worksheets, click the arrow button on the worksheet tab. Renaming a worksheet. To rename a worksheet, double-click the sheet tab you want to rename. It will be highlighted. Type a new name and press the enter key. Adding a new worksheet. To add a new worksheet, select the sheet before which you want to place a new worksheet. Right-click on the sheet tab and select the insert option. The insert dialog box appears. Select the worksheet option and click on OK. You will notice a new worksheet gets inserted before the selected worksheet. Click on the Insert Worksheet icon present next to the end of Sheet 3 tab. A new worksheet will appear at the end. Removing a worksheet. Place the mouse pointer on the worksheet tab that you want to delete. Right click on the worksheet tab and select the delete option, or select the delete option in the cells group on the home tab and further select the select sheet option from the submenu list. Now the last topic is saving a workbook. To save a workbook, follow the given steps. Click on the File tab and select the Save option. The Save As dialog box will appear. Select the drive and the folder where you want to save the workbook. Type the file name in the File Name text box. Click on the Save button. The file will be saved with an extension .xlsx. With this, we are finished with the chapter. Thank you.